This is our lesson number 76, part number 5 about sapphire heated inclusions. In this video, the cover photo, we are learning what is this. This molten crystal fingerprint. This is crystal fingerprint, molten by the heat. Molten crystal thread also there, like thread-like one. It is the positive evidence of thermal fusion. Right, we are moving to inside. If you forgot to subscribe, please subscribe, give like and share to all. Here I have mentioned string of discoids. These are the discoids you better identify. We will learn later. Now come here. This is heated bicolor sapphire from Sri Lanka. Possibly these are the apatite crystals. These apatite crystals. And look at the lighting conditions here. It is fiber optic oblique Sri Lanka stone. It is heated. We are moving to next. Look at this. It is like a heart shape, a broken heart, melted crystal, and melted fingerprint. All the fingerprint can identify the melting status. Adorn the interior of this heat-treated sapphire from Sarandip. Sarandip is Sri Lanka. The lighting condition here is fiber optic oblique. It is Sri Lanka heated sapphire. We are moving to next. What is it here? These are the glassy discoids we can identify inside the heated stones. The lighting condition here is fiber optic oblique heated stone, blue sapphire. Then this discoid series indicates that this Sri Lankan sapphire has undergone heat treatment. Try to identify discoids. What are the discoids inside the heated sapphires? We are moving to next. The lighting condition here is fiber optic oblique, same. And look at here. Snowball-like appearance is here. It's like snowballs. Heat treatment has changed these inclusions into white snowballs. Because of heat, it converted to snowballs appearance. So it gives the evidence it is heated. Lighting condition here is fiber optic oblique. We are moving to next. Try to understand the differences here. Now look at this. It is another one. Very thermally induced discoid. It is a discoid. Inside the discoid, we can identify the situation. It is thermally induced. It is Sri Lankan sapphire, heated sapphire. The lighting condition here is fiber optic oblique. See the thermally induced discoid. It is only one discoid. Inside the discoid, all the inclusions are changed by the heat. Okay. The lighting condition here is fiber optic transmitted. The same thing. Earlier one, the same thing here. Look at the differences. Thermally induced discoid is this. Heat-treated sapphires from Sri Lanka. Sarandip, Sri Lanka. Now you can identify the difference. The same lighting condition is here oblique, fiber optic oblique. Here it is transmitted light. Now, what is this here? This molten crystal fingerprint and molten crystal thread, which was indicted and convicted, are positive evidence of heat treatment. These are the positive evidence. The lighting condition here is fiber optic oblique. So you can easily identify the difference between the natural and the heated also. What is this? It is like lime lime blue under the shortwave ultraviolet fluorescence of, if it is heat treated sapphire, it gives fluorescence under the UV light. See the lighting condition, ultraviolet, short wave. We can see like lime blue. Such lime blue green fluorescence is a strong indicator of heat treatment. Like glassy discoids, the lime blue or lime blue green fluorescence is strong indicator of heat treatment. We are moving to next. What is here? The lighting condition here is fiber optic oblique. It is a Sri Lankan sapphire, heated sapphire. See the picture here. Blue man internal diffusion creates, there are internal diffusion. We can see the internal diffusion. Dreamy pattern within this heat treated sapphire from Sarandip. It is also heat treated sapphire from Sri Lanka. What is this? The lighting condition here is fiber optic oblique. Look at the inclusion here, inclusion pattern here. You can see the alterations done by the heat. A classic example of a heat altered fingerprint. This fingerprint is altered by heat, where it is clearly visible that each negative crystal inside here, each negative crystal has exploded by heat treatment. That is the evidence. So we are moving to next. Lighting condition here is fiber optic transmitted. Under the transmitted light, look at the inclusion, all the negative crystals and everything here altered by the heat. This fingerprint, you can see the altered by heat treatment. So it is given the evidence regarding the stone, it is heated. Look at this. The lighting condition here is fiber optic diffuse overhead. Diffuse overhead. See the inclusions, you can see all the inclusions are exploded by heat. One vision we can understand. This heat treated Sri Lankan sapphire exhibits irregular inclusions of unknown nature in the basal means supporting, in the basal plane of reflected light. These are possibly associated with beryllium diffusion. Sometimes this may be beryllium diffusion, but are not diagnostic. Beryllium diffusion will alter like this also. Not diagnostic. Is it beryllium diffuse or heat treated? Now we are moving to next. The lighting condition here is fiber optic oblique. This Sri Lanka sapphire. See the internal diffusion. Internal diffusion is visible in these heat treated sapphires from Sri Lanka. See, internal diffusion. So we can take this as evidence to heat treated stones. Next, we are moving to part number 6, lesson number 77. If you haven't subscribed yet, please press the subscribe button and also click the bell icon. You win. We are meeting on next part 6.